I'm still at a loss to see where this is on full or not. See, that is, so there's the marker, and kind of, I think that's as full as I can get it. Welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and today I'm going to be using the Koda with my gas. It's nice and warm out here today. It's about 21 degrees centigrade. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening, so it's nice to be so warm in the evening. Right, I'm going to go make my pizza. Ready for the Koda. Okay, I've got my pizza here ready, and I'm just checking the. Do you know what? It doesn't seem to be going up that much faster soon, so I'm just gonna go and turn the oven down now, and not low. Never cook on low. Well, I've never cooked on low anyway. Don't know if anybody else has. Let me know if you've cooked on low on this oven. I've been listening. I read all your comments, as you know, and reply to nearly all of them, and I've not been listening to you. You told me to heat my peel up before it touches the dough, and I haven't been listening, and I know now why you do it. Okay, so I think that's heated up. I'm gonna burn myself now because I haven't got the pizza in. Oh my gosh. Right, let's get this in. Quick, get in. Oh, heat it, and then you can move it. It moves the pizza fast. Oh gosh. So what I was trying to show you was when you heat up your peel and your dough is raw, and if the front of your oven isn't hot, it allows you to push the peel under the dough and maneuver it without it sticking to your peel, which is what I've been experiencing. And I hadn't listened to, so I'm doing it now. It works. It just didn't kind of like give you a very good example demonstration there, did I? But you know, the principle is that. Cooking very nicely, very quickly. It's nearly done. Actually, I better check to see what part of it isn't done. Whew. Done. Lovely golden coloured crust. I'm pretty pleased with this dough. I defrosted it about 2 hours in my airing cupboard before I used it, and I was a bit worried because it didn't look as if it had any bubbles in it at all, but yeah, it's come out bubbly and I'm really pleased with that. So you can't really tell sometimes with your dough if it's going to work or not. It's so that chilli. My final piece. Try that bit. Try that bit as well. Look how dark it's gone. So quick. No wind. Waiting for my oven to cool before I put it away.